boys, welcome back to another video. SpaceX is absolutely ripping right now. It's on a price discovery run and I am in profits, just a little bit over 4x, because I actually longed this using weeks. Links will be down below, by the way. Use my link. So after the IPO on Friday, I longed SpaceX around 170 bucks, and I'm riding this all the way. So we're waiting for 200, 300, 400, just round psychological numbers, and I'm going to show this to you right now. Let me just flip the screen. So this is my long on weeks. I told you boys, weeks is one of the best exchanges right now. You can literally long stocks after their IPO or pre-IPO with your USDT crypto, which is crazy. Not everyone has access to this kind of tool, so only institutions, people with big monies that are allowed to long and buy this type of IPOs. But look at you now, a fleb from a different country being able to long SpaceX, which made Elon a trillionaire, by the way. This is like the biggest IPO ever. This is just crazy. So this was the opening, and then after the IPO we just dumped, and after dumping we gapped up after the war news, and it just ripped higher. So right now we hit the 1.618 extension, and then I'm probably looking at the next is around 2.618 and then 3.618, and then there you go. This is a price discovery run. Now of course the New York Stock Exchange ticker would be pricely different on the weeks, but you just follow the candles and the wicks and you'll be fine. So I DCA'd here, so I long around 180 actually, and then I DCA'd a bit so that I won't get liquidated. It's kind of sad that you're only allowed 20x though. I mean, I wish you'd be allowed like higher leverage to size up on this big trades, once in a lifetime trades, biggest IPO ever. So yeah, I hope everyone is in profits right now with SpaceX, and money is flowing back into the market. Bitcoin actually reached 67k yesterday. Now it's looking to retest. So the initial plan yesterday was to get a back test after the breakout. I wanted a back test of this previous resistance. We flipped this into support and go higher, but we didn't. We just blast through and took some liquidity above, but we didn't clean this once yet. So I think now it's trying to come back down and retest. So I might be eyeing a long at 64,700. So mark this level. I'm gonna set my alerts. Hopefully we get a beautiful continuation long all the way up. So stocks, this is crazy, bro. Nasdaq gapped up yesterday and shot up straight to the sky, and now it wants to attempt for another price discovery, including SPX. I think this is just a start. We got Fed interest rate decision on Thursday. So I think traders are trying to position themselves, because if they print money, risk on assets are probably gonna pump higher. So yeah, let's look at oil. Now oil is finally coming down, which is pretty nice. Hopefully will keep coming down. Gold is also recovering a little bit. Last week was so weird because stocks were going down, gold was going down, oil was going down. So there was no more correlation or inverse correlation anymore. All the assets were going down. I felt like it was manipulated, including silver. But the only thing that was going up yesterday was the dollar. So yeah, I'm gonna keep looking at dollar. and hopefully we get more pump. Kind of sad that I closed my Bitcoin longs last week, but hopefully I can get into some longs this week. So yeah, by the way, use my link. For weeks I've been trading Nasdaq there too, which is crazy. Like now you can just trade indices, boys. Nas 100, like this one on weeks. I've been trading it, so I'm excited to post some trades, TA for Nasdaq and ES this coming days. All right, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Make sure to follow and subscribe. Links will be down below. Go ahead, use weeks, boys, so you can top blast SpaceX, the biggest IPO in history.